Hey guys, in this video I will talk about the best welding knee pads. After much research I found these products much helpful for people like you. I will provide you brief information about these products. If you want to know about the price and other information about these products, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. CLC Custom Leathercraft 313 Heavy Duty Welding Leather Knee Pads. The CLC Custom Leathercraft 313 Heavy Duty Leather Knee Pads have 2 layers of half-inch water-repellent felt padding. The adjustable leather straps hold them in place well, and they're put together with heavy-duty stitching. They're also riveted for better durability. Because they're made of thick leather like saddles, they can take a while for you to break them into where they're more comfortable. Users report that once broken in, these knee pads are comfortable enough to wear all day long. For many users, the CLC Custom Leathercraft 313 knee pads was offered in sizes that seem to run a little too small. For that reason, you may want to order a size larger than you would normally use. This is probably one reason that many owners mention the need to frequently adjust these knee pads to stay in place. The CLC Custom Leathercraft 313 welding knee pads have a lot of padding, and felt is very comfortable. They've got a certain old school appeal and they've been used for decades. Leather pads may be the best available for resistance to damage from welding spatter and sparks. Positive side of this product: heavy leather straps. Stitching is extra heavy. Classic leather design. All-day comfort. Great coverage. Flame resistant. Negative side of this product: leather straps are stiff. Some users mentioned they need constant adjustments. Number 2. Rexpedi Heavy Duty Knee Pads. Rexpedi Heavy Duty Welding Knee Pads feature double thick gel for your kneecaps. They back this up with a high-density foam cushion that makes a big difference by the end of the day. They're ergonomically designed, with thigh stabilization to minimize lateral movement and fatigue. They have wide, stretchy elastic Velcro straps that hold the knee pads securely, although they may be too loose for skinny legs. This is a hard shell design and comes with a non-marking rubber insert in the front to keep from damaging floors while you're kneeling. This insert could be damaged by bead spatter if you weld standing up while wearing these pads. Rexpedi Heavy Duty Welding Knee Pads incorporate heavy-duty stitching in every part of their construction, ensuring the straps will stay where they're put and will take a lot of wear before they start to degrade. Rexpedi put a lot of thought into these knee pads, but there were reports from many users of the knee pads moving around on their kneecaps. Heavy PVC construction will last a long time and resists damage from sparks and spatter. Positive side of this product: include 4 extension straps. Reinforced stitching. Wide, stretchable straps. Negative side of this product: elastic straps are not for thin legs. Number 3. Nocre Professional Knee Pads with Heavy-Duty Foam. If you spend a lot of time kneeling on an uneven or hard surface without additional padding, you have an idea of how uncomfortable it can get. The Nocre Professional pads are like pillows for your valued knees. There are a durable EVA foam padding and a soft gel core behind the heavy-duty shield and thick foam. With this knee pad, you can kneel for an hour on end and experience none of the pain. These pads don't roll or slip. This makes it safe for you to move on any surface, thanks to the abrasion-resistant PVC caps with a textured design to prevent slipping or rolling. Maybe much of the work you do is heavy-duty. If that's the case, these knee pads might be the best for you. Why? They're specifically made to withstand heavy use. The pads feature a double-stitched extra-strong nylon thread in its heavy-duty construction. You can count on the 600D polyester mesh for abrasion and all-day comfort. Nocre knee pads for welding have a secure and tight fit. You can easily use the flexible neoprene straps to adjust the pads to fit your knees. The straps allow you to adjust the circumference of 10 to 22 inches. What's even better is that you can crisscross these straps for a better fit. These pads are not only safe for you but for your floor as well. With the highest EN 14404 safety certification, these pads will not damage your hardwood floors and other similar surfaces. A bonus from these best knee pads for construction comes with the wide range of chores that you can use them for. Whether it's welding, carpentry, stocking, heavy-duty gardening or construction work, and these knee pads are your excellent companions. Positive side of this product: very comfortable to wear. Durable. Heavy-duty construction. Secure fit. Negative side of this product: cannot adjust the strap beyond 22 inches. Number 4. Knee pads for work by Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt gel knee pads provide you with a comfortable option for both men and women. Easy and secure fasteners provide the most comfort. Neoprene and the breathable mesh are what you need to keep you cool and dry in your welding sessions. Made for lasting protection and comfort, the knee pads are made using extra strong materials and heavy-duty reinforced stitching. With this well-made product, your knees and clothing are safe from damage. Its ergonomic design gives additional comfort and support to the patellar tendon just below your knee and the quadriceps above the knees. How adjustable are these knee pads? You don't have to worry, these knee pads are fully adjustable. The inbuilt Pro fastening system delivers secure snug fit for maximum comfort. Another great thing about these pads is that they are quite versatile. You can use them for welding, HVAC, flooring, gardening, stocking your warehouse and glossary shelves, in roofing, tiling, carpentry, and cleaning. Positive side of this product: protects against screws, nails, glass, and debris. Versatile use. They are fully adjustable so will fit. Negative side of this product: wash this way they might come apart with time. Number 5. Cellstrom Knee-Pro Knee-Pad Flex Hybrid. This safety product delivers the ultimate durability and comfort in the protection of your patella. Made using durable hard plastic outer shell, this pad with its 1/2 inch closed cell foam, the Cellstrom Knee-Pro, gives you the comfort you need in your welding tasks. Unlike some other knee pads that offer little or no grip, these pads come with an orange non-marking grip strip, which gives you the security and grip you need in a knee pad, but without leaving residue or marks on your work area. Walking and kneeling while wearing these knee pads is pretty easy. This is because each knee pad is hinged with a metal rivet, which makes the movement that easy. Adjusting these knee pads is easy. The soft elastic woven straps and the speed clips situated above and below the knees make it adjust the pads as you wish. Positive side of this product: extremely strong and durable. Hinge for ease of movement. The non-grip strip allows use on any surface. The closed foam pad provides ultimate knee protection. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.